Hi there, welcome back to ChuoLink, your go-to platform for exploring university courses that align with your future goals. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting course that combines science, navigation, and global responsibility. The Bachelor's degree in Maritime Transport and Nautical Science. If you've ever dreamed of working at sea, navigating massive ships, or contributing to the smooth operation of international transport, this could be the perfect course for you. So, what is Maritime Transport and Nautical Science all about? This program is designed to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to operate, manage, and navigate vessels safely and efficiently. You'll learn about how ships move, how they're operated, and how to manage maritime logistics. It also covers important areas like maritime law and safety, preparing you for a career on the seas or in port operations. The course plays a key role in supporting Tanzania's maritime sector, which is vital for trade, logistics, and economic growth. Let's take a closer look at what you'll study in this course. The core curriculum is a mix of theory and practical learning. You'll start with the fundamentals of nautical science, things like celestial navigation, GPS, radar systems, meteorology, and oceanography. You'll also dive into ship operations and management, covering cargo handling, ship stability, bridge teamwork, and international maritime regulations. In addition, you'll study maritime law and economics, gaining insight into marine insurance, chartering agreements, and how shipping fits into global trade. Safety is a major focus too, so you'll learn about survival at sea, firefighting, and security protocols to protect ships from threats like piracy. It's a well-rounded program that prepares you to work confidently in complex maritime environments. Now, what will you walk away with after completing this program? By the end of your degree, you'll have a strong technical understanding of ship navigation, vessel management, and maritime safety. You'll know how to lead teams on board ships, make quick decisions during emergencies, and operate in international waters. The program also sharpens your leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills, all essential for thriving in the high-pressure world of maritime transport. Let's talk about the careers this course can lead to. Graduates of this program can work in a variety of exciting and high-responsibility roles. You could become a ship captain, navigating and managing large vessels, or you might start as a navigation officer or chief mate, handling day-to-day operations at sea. There are also roles like marine safety inspector, harbor master, maritime pilot, or even marine superintendent, managing shipping fleets from land. Other opportunities include vessel traffic manager, maritime trainer, and compliance officer. With this degree, the maritime world truly opens up to you, both on land and at sea. So, what makes this course unique? And what challenges should you expect? One of the standout features of this program is how hands-on and practical it is. You're not just learning from books, you're training in environments that simulate real-life maritime conditions. You'll work with navigational tools, safety equipment, and ship management systems. It's perfect for students who love technology, adventure, and leadership. But the course can also be demanding. Life at sea is not always easy. You'll need physical endurance, mental toughness, and the ability to work long hours, sometimes far from home. It also requires quick thinking and confidence, especially in emergency situations. But if you enjoy challenges and have a passion for the ocean, it can be one of the most rewarding careers out there. To wrap up, the Bachelor's degree in Maritime Transport and Nautical Science is more than just an academic program. It's your passport to a career full of adventure, leadership, and international impact. Whether you see yourself navigating the high seas or managing shipping operations from port, this degree can help you chart your course to success. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the course better, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone interested in maritime careers, and don't forget to subscribe to ChuoLink for more insights. See you in the next video.